Good morning guys, I'm Paul the Tech Giant and today I've got two very interesting products that I'm going to share with you. So on the right hand side we have the Divoom Pixoo Max customisable pixel art signboard, and on the left we have the Divoom Ditoo Plus retro pixel art portable speaker. So we're going to first start off looking at the Ditoo Plus. So as you can see, it does come very well presented and comes in this lovely plastic box with a rubber handle on it. If we just pop this open and get it out, and also is included is a USB-C cable there for charging and an instruction manual. Right, so let's take a closer look at the actual speaker slash screen then. And I've got to say, it is definitely far more than just a speaker. Trust me, when I show you it, you'll see what I mean. So round the side, we have a micro SD card slot there, so you can load up music. We have a power button just there, and your USB Type-C charging port. Then on top, we've got where your speaker is, and then we have actual mechanical keys, and oh, they are nice to press those. And then we have this almost like a one-arm bandit style handle. So let's get this powered on then by holding down the power button on the side. So let's first take a look at these keys then. And like I said, they are proper mechanical keys. But not only that, if we press down on this button just here and hold it down, yes, we have RGB lighting going on. So that looks very impressive indeed. And we can change up that lighting if we wish. So if we just hold down on this button, there we go. And there are various different modes. And I just think straight away, how different is that? Just looks really nice sat on the side there like that. Now, because it is a speaker, you can connect this up via Bluetooth to, say, a mobile phone or pop an SD card in, and you can control the volume with these lovely mechanical keys and also use the left and the right to skip through tracks. Now, if we press this button just here, we cycle through various different modes. So we've got the clock there, we've got a like a night light, and if we wanted to change any of these up, all we do is hold down on that button. There we go, we change up that colour just there, hold it again, change it up for something else. So let's scroll back through to, say, the clock. Again, hold that down for a long press, and we can change up to different designs. Now, if we press this button just a couple more times, you can see we've got some like pre-installed pixel art going on here. And yeah, there's some good things on there. But if you are looking for more than that, then don't worry, because there is an app where you can download absolutely tons of them. And I'll be showing you that in just a minute. Moving over to this key just here then. And this gives us a few options that we can scroll through using the mechanical keys. But I'm going to select this one just here by using the one-arm bandit little arm thing just there. And one more time. And we are off with some gaming. Look at this. What isn't there to like about something like this? Come on. But this game ain't for you. Don't worry. We've got some other things in here. And I'm sure you guys will all recognise this. Oh yes, the old classic. And just feels great with those keys. Now, there is loads of things that I could show you, but I need to keep some things back for the other device. So let's just show you one more. And that is the sound meter. How cool is that? Right, moving on to the Pixoo Max now then, before we fire up that app and test it out with the other device. So as you can see, it comes in this lovely box there. It's very well presented, to be fair. And once again, it does come with its own USB Type-C power cable. And to be fair, it's a nice braided cable as well. Plenty of length on that. And we also get these two like sucker cups that attach to the actual device so you can put it in a window. Looking at the actual device then, and round the back we do have this removable stand, so if you want to mount it on a wall via the like picture hook thing there, then you can do. If you want to put it on the side, just put that in like that. And then around the side we do have a microphone and power button and our selection button. Now, just like the other one, if we hold down the power button for just a second, it then fires into life and should display the time. Now, just like the previous one, we can scroll through different things. So just pressing that, scroll through there. And if I just go back to the time and then do a long press again, scroll through all those different modes. Now, where these devices really come into their own is with the app, and allows you to do just so much more. So what I'm going to start off by doing is just changing up some of the clock faces. So on the app there, all we have to do is simply flick through there like that, and it will display those various clock faces, all looking very nice indeed. And there we go, we've got one there. So we've got the day, the date, even the temperature. Moving along to this one, it even shows you what the weather is like outside. Very nice touch, I do like that. Now if I swipe across on the page, we also come to the visualizer. And as you can see, when I speak, it is being displayed on the screen. Now if we go back to the main menu and press on more, you can just see the amount of stuff that we do have to choose from. So I'm going to click on game once again, and I'm going to select a random game just there. If I press on go, you can see I'm now having a good old game of Snake. Going back to the menu once again, and even got a stopwatch there. Could be pretty handy. I just think it looks absolutely amazing. I'm just fascinated by it. Who would have thought such a low resolution could please someone like me? We've also got a countdown there. So we've got a ticking time bomb. Moving on, and we can input text to the screen. So I've already pre-written something. There we go. And again, we can do so much with this. We really can. We can change up all the different sort of colours, how fast it goes. So yeah, just so much customization there really is. Now this next feature, I just know you're going to absolutely love, and it's probably the one thing that'll actually sell this to you. So I'm going to press on design, then on plus, and then I'm going to click on camera and select a photograph from my camera roll. So I've got a photograph up then of myself, and I'm going to press OK. And there we go. How cool is that? Now for the next one, I've got a photograph of my son at Halloween. I'm going to press on OK. Again, just look how good that is. I just think it's such a novel thing. It is really, really impressive. And if I just go to this button just here, we can change how that is displayed. So going up, drop down, fly from the left, fly from the right. So yeah, you could basically just use this as a really fancy photo frame. Now another great thing that you can do within the design section is your own drawings. And I'm no artist, but I'll give it a go. So let's draw, say, a pointing finger. And let's press fly up. There we go. And if you didn't like the pointing finger, then you can simply just delete it all away. Back to the main home screen now then. And like I said, you can download loads of extra content. So there's loads of sections, but I'm going to go to the Pixel Art albums. Just scroll along, and as you can see, there's loads of stuff on there. But I'm going to, say, do some video game stuff. So one of my favourite games from down the arcades, got Outrun there. Look at that. It's very smart. Maybe you're more of a Pac-Man fan. Look at that, good as well. What else do we have then? Wonder if anyone can name that game. Hit me up in the comments section. I know what it is, but I'm not going to give that one away. Some Mario stuff then. That looks quite good. Yeah, I like that. Looks smart. Coming back out and let's go to some Christmassy stuff then. So what have we got here? Let's have a look. Absolutely tons of it. Look at it all. It's got a Christmas tree there. Got Santa with his sack. I mean, literally, there's hours of fun to be had with this thing. I just think it is such a novel thing. I really do. And honest to God, it's something that I will be keeping and I'll be putting on the side by my PC. Right, bringing the Ditoo Plus back into frame now then. And like I said earlier, you can control this with the app just like the bigger display. So once again, I've got the app just here. Let's click on some Christmassy stuff there. So I think that's Hanky, if you know who that is. Again, another Santa one there. Obviously not going to look quite as good because we've not got as many LEDs on the screen there, but still very nice. Going back to our main selection of apps now, and I'm going to use the voice message because I've not covered it yet, but like we say, it is a speaker, this smaller one. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to hold to record. So what you are hearing in just a minute will be the sound from the speaker. And from my personal testing, it actually doesn't sound too bad at all. So what you are hearing in just a minute will be the sound from the speaker. And from my personal testing, it actually doesn't sound too bad at all. So there you go. What do you think? I think it is very impressive for the size of it. It actually goes quite loud. I can't turn it up obviously at the moment because we are at 5 o'clock in the morning. But trust me, as far as small speakers go, it isn't bad. But personally, I don't think many people are going to buy this just for its speaker functionality. It's going to be all those extras. And trust me, there is absolutely loads more. But I don't want to spoil all the fun and show you everything. So give you something to play with when it arrives. And there you have it then, guys. Now I'll be putting links to both of these in the description, but I would ask that if you want to purchase one, please go via my Amazon affiliate page. That means if you do buy one, then Amazon gives me a very small percentage of that sale back to me, and it doesn't cost you a single penny extra. So think of it as giving me a tip for making this video that doesn't actually come out of your pocket. Now, if you have enjoyed this video today, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already subscribed, then please consider doing so, which will hopefully help me get to my goal of 100,000 subscribers. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.